37 degrees. God damn. Man, the M3 looks so good. I freaking love this car. Today we got a little mod going on this car, and I need your guys' opinion on it. I'll show you guys here in a second. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, my name is Jaime. Please hit that subscribe button and drop a like. Today we're gonna give you guys an update on the Lexus ISF. I'm currently wrapping that car. If you guys have not seen those previous videos, make sure you guys check those out. But we also got a mod in for my F80 M3 right here behind me, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. And then we also got a couple of things in for the Lexus ISF. The car is not done yet, but I'm gonna give you guys a look at what it's looking like because I want to keep you guys up to date. You guys already know the colors, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. All right, guys, here she is. If you guys have not checked out my previous videos, or if you guys are new to the channel, I have been wrapping my Lexus ISF in Nardo gray. It is almost done. All we have left is literally the two bumpers, front and rear. I've saved those for last because they're the hardest. But the car, everything else is done. It looks so good. Try to give you guys a better look. So this whole side is done. Everything has been coming out super nicely. It's looking really good. All the edges, everything. This isn't mounted yet. I was just putting on there for now so you guys can see it with the carbon trunk lip. But everything is coming out really nice. If you guys didn't see my previous videos, you would see that there was a lot of paint peeled off with the previous wrap, and I had to do a lot of sanding and priming, but now she looks solid. And I went ahead and did the mirrors in a gloss black. It's actually Plasti Dip, or it's the Rust-Oleum, like removable automotive paint. I did that. I wanted to see how it looked with the black mirrors. I think it looks good. With the wheels, I can't wait to put it down on the ground and really get a good look at it. The roof is also wrapped in black, and then we got a new front lip. I'll show you guys that right now, and it's gonna just blend in really nicely. And then this side also done. Man, it looks really good. I cannot wait to get it on the ground and really see what it looks like with the bumpers on and all that. It's gonna look killer. I'm so happy with how it's turning out. It's been a really smooth process. It has taken me a little while just because I work every day, and I don't get home till like 1 in the morning. I don't go to sleep until like 2 a.m. So I wake up pretty tired, and I only have a little bit of work on the car. So I've been trying to knock out as much as I can on before I go into work, but it's super tiring, guys. So thank you guys for being patient. But we got this mirror done. It looks really good. I'm really happy with the Rust-Oleum removable automotive paint. I'll show you guys what it looks like, the cam. So I used this right here, just a gloss black vinyl wrap, spray on. It worked really well. I got this on Amazon. Really happy with it. And I used removable paint just in case I didn't like how it turned out, but I really like how it looks. Honestly, the mirrors are kind of a pain in the ass to wrap because of the shape. They're just, you have to do so many little pieces, and the way this wraps all the way around. And I didn't really want to deal with it, so I was like, man, I kind of want them in black anyways. Let's go ahead and do the spray on vinyl and see how they turn out. I still got to peel off the tape I have. And then I figured worst case scenario, if it didn't look good, I would just wrap them in Nardo as well. So I think you guys have to see them with the wheels on over there and everything else, and you guys will get a better idea how to look with the black mirrors. I just have to insert these door handles back. They're already wrapped. I just have to go ahead and put them back in. There will be a time-lapse video of me wrapping the whole car. That's going to be after I reveal like the whole car put back together. That should be coming up this Monday, hopefully. I'm going to finish the car tomorrow. Tomorrow's my day off. I really need help wrapping the two bumpers. You need two people. You don't need, but it helps a lot if you have two people. So I'm going to wait till tomorrow to actually wrap those two bumpers. Let me know what you think, how it's looking. I'm also going to be doing the trim delete, the chrome delete on here. I have, I'll show you guys. I use this right here. This is blackout tape, and it's literally just a little strip of black tape meant to go over this. It's just a chrome delete. It's called, I think, trim delete tape. I'll link it in the description if you guys want to pick some of the stuff. Super easy. All right, as far as the new stuff that we got, these are going to be for the M3. They're just carbon fiber mirror caps. They're going to go on that. They're currently white. I've actually had these for a little while. I bought these off a friend. He sold his car, so I bought these off a friend. I just haven't installed them, and I don't know how I feel about them, to be honest. So I'm gonna be throwing those on in this video, and then I would really like your guys' opinion if you guys like how it looks with them or not. I mean, everything else is carbon, the front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, the roof. So we got a lot of carbon on there. We'll see how it looks, and you guys just let me know. And then also here, this is nothing exciting, but we got this bumper bracket. Before, my bumper was always popping off on the ISF. The little tabs in here are broken, so I went ahead and ordered a new one. That way it's nice and solid on there. So we're gonna be throwing that on. I got this from Lexus Parts Now. All right, and then here we have a new digitizer. So what this is the touchscreen on my ISF. The touchscreen went out, so this is the new sensor. That way the touchscreen works again. And then lastly, we got a new front lip for the ISF. It's a super basic lip. It's a polyurethane lip. I already sprayed it in gloss black. It's just a basic lip. I know it's not carbon, guys. Before you guys roast me in the comments, just remember this car is a daily, and I'm actually going to be lowering it a little bit more. I have ISC coilovers in here, so we're going to be dropping the car a little bit more now that we have this lip. Before, my old lip used to be really aggressive, so I had to have the car kind of high. So now we're able to lower the car. It's gonna look super clean with the simple lip, the black mirrors, the roof. It's just gonna tie in really nicely with the wheels. We might do side skirts as well and a rear diffuser, but we'll see, because again, this is a daily. So I just use something like a squeegee, and then there's a little lip right here where it meets the rest of the mirror, the white cap, and then I just hit it off, to be honest. Alright guys, that is it. Literally a 2-minute install. So I wanted to try these out, see how I like them. Let me know what you guys think. Sorry for the bad lighting. Unfortunately, the sun hits my garage directly all day long. I mean, they're clean. I don't know how I feel about them. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's too much black, honestly. I really like the design of the mirror. I really like this design right here. And I think with the black, the carbon covers, and then the rest of the black mirror, it just hides that design. Honestly, it just looks like a regular black mirror now. I think the white really shows off that detail and the design of the mirror. So let me know what you guys think. Now what we're gonna do is, I want to put this bumper, this front lip on the bumper, drill the holes, because I do have to drill holes, and then we'll go ahead and see how it looks on the white bumper. All right guys, there it is with the front lip on. It's probably kind of hard to tell just because my floors are black, but just a really basic front lip. I think it looks really clean, especially once it's wrapped. Don't mind it being white right now. It's gonna look really good with the mirrors, and then once the wheels are on, it's just gonna tie in very nicely. Remember, this is a daily, so I didn't want to get a carbon lip that would get destroyed, especially because I'm gonna lower the car a little bit more. So this is gonna be just perfect. It'll take a beating. It was very cheap. I think carbon lips for this car are like $500 to $700 for like knockoff ones. So this one was like $100 on eBay. It's gonna get the job done. Don't roast me too hard. Check out these tires. These are getting worn down. There's like no more groove in here. And then these were the front ones. Luckily they're the same size. So I'm gonna be throwing the fronts on the rear and then putting the rears on the front. Give them a little bit more life. But what I really need is some street tires. Looks very good. It's getting really close to being done. Really excited. I'm also thinking about doing, some people do a fog light delete. There's a cover that goes here with the fog light. Mine don't work anyway, so I'm thinking about doing a fog light delete. It looks really good if you guys haven't seen it. Makes the front end look just that much more aggressive. So I'll probably be doing that in a later video. I have to order like the grill inserts to match, like the mesh to match the what goes in the center right here. But I'll probably be doing that later on. And then, like I said, I'm gonna be lowering the car a little bit more, getting the windows tinted. It's gonna be a super clean daily. I cannot wait. Let me know what you guys think so far in the comments. that is gonna be it for today's video. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I try to post every 2 to 3 days, and lately I've been working on this car and it does take a while, so I don't want to leave you guys without a video. So I wanted to give you guys an update of how it's looking. I cannot wait for it to be done. I'm really excited. It's gonna be so clean. It's coming on really well. So if you guys are new to the channel and you guys like what you saw today, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, drop a like. You guys are killing it on the likes. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. I'll catch you guys on the next video. You guys have a good one. Peace out.